Welcome to this tutorial on how to restore all trash posts in WordPress in just a few minutes. Follow along and you'll learn how to quickly bring back posts you've deleted. Start by opening your WordPress site in your browser. On the home page, go to the top right corner and click Login. For this guide, we'll use the option Continue with Google. Choose your Google account and sign in securely. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the Post section. This is where all of your blog entries are managed, including those sent to the trash. At the top of the Post section, click on the Trash tab. This will display all posts you've deleted. Review the list to confirm the posts you want to restore. Now select all the posts you want to recover. To do this quickly, use the checkbox at the top of the list to highlight all trash posts. With the post selected, go to the Bulk Actions drop-down menu above the list. Choose Restore from the options, then click the Apply button. WordPress will instantly begin restoring all the posts. And that's it. All of your trash posts have now been restored to your WordPress site. You'll find them back in your post area, ready to edit, publish, or manage. This simple process is a real lifesaver if you've accidentally deleted important content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.